Good evening, YouTube friends and fans. Well, if you know what these parts are on the car, guess what happened to it? KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So you all that have been with me understand what I do with this car. But being it's winter time, and also being that it's cold out, doesn't do it any good. Hit a pile of snow, should say off of a semi, the top of it. You can see where it's cracked all the way along there. Starts back there, all the way up the front, which explains why the inner fender was all ripped out. See how you can see all the way down to the tire there? And you can't over here? Well, that's what's missing. So, and I'm assuming when I ran over it, that's what broke it off back there. So, I don't see any serious damage to anything else, but you can see where that's broke right here. So, but it sure did come right completely off. I took this to my local auto body repair shop. They quoted it just under $1,800, and that's for 3 parts and labor. Thought you might be interested in the damage from a little bit of ice and really cold weather. Alright. Take care, friends. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thumbs up if you like it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.